Pragya, but
lastly and most
Akashdeep Muni and
importantly,
Aam Aadmi
Padmaja,
Party are
the
saying
fact
you
here
also
is their
choose your
stories do
victims
not match.
selectively. Let me quote.
Evidence has been destroyed.
Okay, let me quote to you what Saurabh Bhardwaj is saying.
Absolutely not.
Responding to
Padmaja,
the Lieutenant Governor, he is saying, सक्सेना साहब आप भूल गए देश के लिए मेडल जीतने वाली पहलवान बेटियां ऐसी जंतर मंतर पर धरने पर बैठी थी, धूप बरसात में बैठी थी, एफआईआर करवानी थी कि भाजपा के सांसद बृजभूषण ने बार बार उनका शोषण किया था, तब आपके अधीन दिल्ली पुलिस ने एफआईआर तक दर्ज नहीं की थी, आप बताइए क्यों नहीं दर्ज की. Essentially he is saying Kejriwal is quiet right now. You were quiet when those ladies were being beaten up by Delhi police and LG was quiet.
Yeah. So, Padmaja, let me finish saying one thing and then I'll come on to the wrestlers. Another important point to note is that evidence was destroyed even here. The CCTV footage has been erased from the Sheesh Mahal. Why did you erase it? Why was a reformatted phone handed over to the police for investigation? Why the need to reformat a phone if you had nothing to hide? Now, coming on to the wrestlers, they have been calling Swati Maliwal upon. I'm feeling sad that for the last 1 year, these lady wrestlers have been used and misused by everybody in the opposition. दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में कुछ भी होता है, they hold up the lady wrestlers like some kind of poster girls, and how shameful is that? And everybody knows we have debated sufficiently on every single thing that goes on in this country, whether it was Manipur, whether it was Sandesh Khali, or it was the wrestlers, or today it is Swati Maliwal. I have never been selective. My party has never been selective. What kind of selectivism are you suffering with that even till now, for someone you called Singham Swati, someone who you thought was important enough to be given a Rajya Sabha seat from your party, the only woman to get there in fact, is now, I don't know, untouchable for you? Is that your politics? That is what you're trying to show to the country? And lastly, Arvind Kejriwal is out on bail. He's out on bail to campaign in these elections. The first condition of that bail was to, one, not talk about the liquor scam.
Okay.
He's of course talked about the liquor scam, so that's contempt. But he's indulged himself in another new scam. He gives a statement even if somebody is sneezing. He has nothing to say about what went on in his drawing room under his own nose.
Akashdeep Muni. And how did Vibhav Kumar get into his house from where he was arrested? How can any Tom, Dick and Harry step into the Chief Minister's residence unless it was at the instance of the Chief Minister, which is why he must speak?
Padmaja, he was there.
Why?
He is the PS, personal secretary.
But he's not the personal secretary anymore, is he? Wasn't he removed as the personal secretary? He's not the personal secretary anymore.
Wait a minute.
He was removed as the personal secretary. It's saying Charu Pragya is correcting you. Charu Pragya. He's been removed as personal secretary. What was he doing inside the house?
He has not been on the job since April 2023.
So what was he doing in Chief Minister's
residence? He's unofficially hanging around you and your Chief Minister, and you are allowing it.
Unofficially hanging around
you. He was arrested from the Sheesh Mahal. What worse could happen?
Whosoever comes, listen to me, wait a minute. Whosoever comes to my residence is my permission.
Whoever comes is allowed to walk in, and accused who's getting arrested by the police is arrested.
So then answer me this, Akashdeep Muni. Arvind Kejriwal has himself said, Aam Aadmi Party and you have said that nobody can enter the Chief Minister's residence without appointment. Which means that Kumar Bibhav took appointment. Which means that knowing that there is an FIR against Bibhav Kumar for assault on a woman, he was given an appointment and allowed inside the Chief Minister's residence.
See, your logic is so fallible, I cannot comprehend. You know why? Because somebody coming to your house has to take appointment. But somebody who has got permission to be in your residence.
I'll tell you what my logic is. Mr. Muni, please. I'll tell you the logic. If you wanted to protect someone, you should have fought for his job. He was laid off for misconduct.
It's not the office of LG that LG is to come inside. They'll take LG's permission. Okay. So has Swati Maliwal taken appointment from the Delhi Chief Minister? No. Okay. But one point I just want to we're talking about victim shaming. Now, my dear friend was talking about using women wrestlers. Isn't it victim shaming?
You know, I think your logic and your explanation, the people can see through where you really stand on this. As of right now, the custody of Bibhav Kumar will run out in another 2 days. We'll see what is the kind of evidence the police actually managed to pick up. He's being taken today to Mumbai to find out how, when and if at all he formatted his phone. We certainly hope at some point the Chief Minister will speak up and explain how somebody was allowed to beat a woman in his house as is being alleged. Thanks Charu Pragya, Akashdeep Moni for joining me. Quick break.